Hey everybody. First of all, let me address the spectacles. Um, as you get younger, as I am, sometimes you're seeking a different look. Like literally, you trying to look different. Like you trying to see differently because you can't see, so you need a different look. See? Anyway, that's been addressed. Today I wanted to do a video that it's kind of like the way I used to do videos. It's been quite a while. Um, I've said it before. I love to sing. Singing is just fun for me, and so don't mind the street cleaner going by. but yeah, I enjoy singing even when I'm sad, even when I'm angry, but of course when I'm happy. And so my point is, singing should be fun. And sometimes I like to do nursery rhymes. Today I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a song that, after researching, found just like any other song. A lot of songs have some sort of innuendo attached to them. This one is no different. But it's an alleged innuendo. And I won't describe what that is because it's alleged. So don't believe what you see when you first research it. But the real meaning behind it, it was written in the 1800s. And the idea behind it was that as life goes on, just be able to roll with it, to just flow with it. In fact, the song that I'm going to do is it's about taking it easy. It's about rowing your boat. Row, row your boat. That's what we're going to do today. But I figured to make it even more fun, how about we do it as someone else? Here we go. Row, 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 row. Just kidding. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently out to sea. Merrily, 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 we'll be home for tea. Row, row, row your boat gently on the tide. Merrily, 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 to the other side. Row, 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 row your boat gently back to shore. Merrily, 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 home for tea at 4. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Take it slow, whoa, whoa. This time we'll take it. Row, row, row your boat. If you like that, feel free to like it, subscribe, and make sure that that bell is colored in dark, so that way you can see every week on Thursdays when I post my new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. How about one more as me? Let me see if I could try not to do that voice now. Row, row, row your boat. It's kind of hard. Gently down the stream.